Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is a 2006 F-150 and we're gonna add some power steering fluid. Hey, here's our power steering reservoir right here. Here's a minimum and a maximum, and I'm all the way down here a little bit. I know it's hard to see, I even tried to clean this up. I shake it around though, you can see I'm about a ½ an inch below the minimum. So how do we fill it up? Simply take off this cap right here. And the hardest part that you're gonna have about this whole process is getting the right fluid. Here's what you need. Mercon automatic transmission and power steering fluid, and it must be Ford, must be Motorcraft. Don't go into the auto parts store and have them talk you into getting something that's equivalent of it. Baloney. You need to go into the dealership, or if you check down in the description, I'll put a link to where I purchased this online. So now we're just gonna fill it up a little bit. I've got a funnel through my old age. I'm getting smarter here. Get the right funnel, helps out a bunch. Pour it in here, no big deal, easy peasy. Again, the only thing hard about this whole entire operation, look at that, almost there. Let's get a tiny bit more, right on the max. The only thing that's challenging about this is getting the correct fluid. Don't be in a hurry, get the right stuff.
Now we'll just take out our funnel, clean it up a little bit, put that cap back on, and you're all set to go. Hey friends, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.